So this is AC Milan against Verona from Serie A. AC Milan here are 1.7 favourite. Now, if you know anything about Italian football, that's a pretty big price on AC Milan at home to Verona, 1.7. And let's just quickly look at the goal markets. Okay, slightly favouring the under 2.5 goals. But anyway, it's a pretty big price on AC Milan to win this. But the main reason for that is because AC Milan, if they win today on the final day of the season, it's not going to do anything for their position. They've already qualified for the Champions League. However, Verona are going to need a win to guarantee safety. Okay, so the markets are really taking that into account when they're pricing this one up, because it's a pretty big price for AC Milan. Anyway, let me show you what we've covered on the correct score market. So we've covered quite a few different scores, and our plan B is shifting a little bit more towards Verona to potentially spring a surprise. So we've got the 1-0 to Verona covered and the 1-1. Those are our plan B scenarios. And then we've got our plan A, which is the AC Milan win, because they are a far superior team to Verona. Should be winning this sort of match with their eyes closed. But, of course, that strong need for a win could cause all sorts of last day chaos. Anyway, look, we've got some green on that 0-1 and that 1-1. This match is just about to kick off. Let's see what happens next. So we reached half time here. AC Milan took the lead on the stroke of half time with a penalty. So it's AC Milan 1, Verona 0. So that 0-1, plan B, well, we're not going to get to use it. We've still got 1-1 alive, and obviously after that we've got those scores in favour of AC Milan winning comfortably. So far so good, because obviously the next goal puts us on a green scoreline, and then we can trade out from there. So anyway, let's see what happens. It's 1-0 at half time. The cash out's not offering us nowhere near enough to take it, so we'll have to see how the second half develops. Okay, so it's gone AC Milan 1, Verona 1. So as said, we thought Verona are going to put up a very big fight in this one. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. So there's been a goal, and I think there could be a possible VAR check going on at the moment. But anyway, it's causing a bit of chaos in the market. But look, what we're going to do, I'm going to lay off the green on the 1-1. Let's try and see if we can lay that off. It's absolute chaos. It's the last day of the season. There's another match at the same time, which has an impact on this one. And I think we're in a scenario where Verona are going to need a goal. So anyway, look, either way, we are here now. Okay, we're on this 1-1. That was our plan B. We still think the value is with siding with AC Milan, and that's what we're going to stick with. If it remains 1-1, we're going to break even. If Verona do nick it, then it's a very minor loss for us, a 16% loss on our stake. But we've got some nice green on the 2-1 and that 3-1. Okay, so let's see if AC Milan can get the winner for us. It's AC Milan 1, Verona 1, 76 minutes. 87 minutes on the clock. It's 2-1 AC Milan. It's just gone 2-1 AC Milan. Verona really need, well, 2 goals now. So, oh wait, hold on, what are we trying to do? So Verona are going to need 2 goals, and in the meantime, we are going to lay off this 2-1 scoreline and just get all our risk out the market, put some green on the remaining scores. If it does go to 2-2, we want to be able to take a profit in that scenario. Okay, so now you can see we're here on the 2-1 scoreline, 1-2-7 if there's no further goals. If it does go to 2-2, then we've got some profit on that and all the other ones. But 3-1 to AC Milan is probably the money shot of what we're looking for. So anyway, it's going to be a desperate end. As far as I can see, Verona are going to need 2 goals in this one, or maybe a goal in the other match would favour them, but it's going to be a desperate end. Either way, Verona are going to need to score. So it could be a crazy end to it. So anyway, let's see. It's AC Milan 2, Verona 1 at 88 minutes. 91 minutes on the clock. It's AC Milan who got the 3rd goal, and that goal is pretty much going to relegate Verona unless they can find 3 goals in what's around 2 minutes of injury time. So that is pretty much it. Okay, so we're just pressing the cash out. I just want to just exit out now and just try and get it locked in. It's just manic. It's a manic match. It's a manic market to go with it. And So we are fully cashed out. We've got the 200 pretty much locked in over all of these, and what we can do is we can lay some of that off and just see if there's another goal. I mean, obviously Verona are going to have to be pretty desperate to try and get a goal. There could be more for AC Milan on the counter attack. They have to score 3 goals. So anyway, it's probably beyond them. But anyway, let's put in the lay. We're in a position of profit now. 182 on the 3-1, or sorry, 166 on the 3-1 scoreline, and then yeah, we would leverage up to 295 if there is another goal in this one. We'll be right back. Could still be more action in this. And that is it. The referee has just blown the whistle for full time, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so we're going to be on that 3-1 scoreline with 166 of profit. It was absolute carnage in the markets near the end of that. We were probably laying off that 3-1 scoreline at prices which weren't really offering any sort of good value, but either way, it was definitely worth trying to chase another goal, okay, to leverage it up. But in the end, the match pretty much went as we forecasted. I did say it was a good price on AC Milan to beat Verona. Markets were being very generous, offering the price that they did. And in the end, comfortable victory for AC Milan, and Verona are relegated. And if you enjoyed that little clip, we would really love it if you could click the like button to support the channel. The more likes we get, the more clips we will put out in the future. Oh, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that. And if you do like the look of correct score trading and you want to know how to learn more about correct score trading and take it up to the next level, then you can download this free Correct Score Mastery course prospectus ebook. Click the link that is in the description of this video. It should be below the video. Click on the link, put in your very best email address, and we will email it right to you. And this ebook will tell you everything you need to know about taking your correct score trading to the next level, all the way to mastering this market. And the correct score market, it really is one of the best football trading markets to learn, but it's also absolutely huge and a little bit complex. So as said, if you want to learn more about it, click below to get your course prospectus ebook, and that will explain pretty much everything, and you can take a closer look at everything that is involved. It's absolutely free, so take a look. And while you're there, if you want to see another great football trading video, and hopefully a correct score one, the video on the screen should be one that you will enjoy. So click on that video and head over there, go grab a nice cold beer, and let's get into it.